Hey guys, welcome to Flying Engineers. We are here to discuss about the second week of IPL. Okay, so we'll be having a trivia question for you at the end of the video. So please stay tuned. I have Alok Mishra and Akhil Ansari, the cricket experts, with me. Okay.
Hi
Uh, s-
viewers.
yeah, that's Alok and Akhil. That's Akhil in red
Hello,
t-shirt with
people.
you. Okay, we'll be in this second week of IPL. What we have seen is we have seen Trevatia changing the game. We have seen Dhoni getting tired. Tie match between RCB and MI. Okay, so we'll start with the first match. Okay, I'll be sharing the screen with you guys for the matches. Okay, so first match which we will be discussing is uh, राजस्थान वर्सेस पंजाब जो कि बहुत ही छोटे से ग्राउंड में हुआ था अपना शारजा एज एक्सपेक्टेड भाई मतलब हाई स्कोरिंग गेम होगा ओके सो ये गेम में उन्होंने यहाँ तक देखे अगर मयंक अग्रवाल ने स्टार्ट किया था एकदम मस्त बढ़िया से 106 मारा सो आलोक मिश्रा क्या बोलना चाहोगे आप इस पे बैटिंग पे
हाँ, ये बैक टू बैक ये मयंक अग्रवाल का बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था, बट unfortunately he was on a losing side. And coming back to this match was full of a roller coaster. And Sharjah, the ground, which is a very small ground, so it was expected a high scoring game was expected here, and it was full of an entertainment. So it was a super over. We got to know many heroes from this match. Tewatia being the one, he was cursed at the start of his inning. He was wasting many balls, but he turned up to be a hero for this match. So Akil, what is your call on this match? How will you figure out this match as a whole?
I think this match was played on Supari Talao, where we used to play cricket. Such a small ground, man. All the mistakes were going for fours and six. This is
yeah
this.
Even we,
I think this is
even
not fair for bowlers. I think it's really not fair to have such a small ground. And with Dew also, I think Tiwatia was really struggling at the start, but in the end, the Sheldon Cottrell hit a 5-6 and completely changed the match. So hats off
yeah,
to
absolutely.
Tiwatia. But I was really sad that Agarwal was on the losing side. He really played well
yes and
on his own merit.
this ground is called as the graveyard for the bowlers because इस पे तो बॉलर
I
पिटते ही
think
रहते हैं
it is not fair, Alok. What do you think for bowlers? I think
Yeah,
due
I think because see the
very
T20.
small ground.
Yeah, T20, the game itself is a batsman dominating game. If you will see, like, bowlers are always on the receiving end. But yeah, from this game, but in such a small ground, bowlers have very rare chance to shine in such games. But still, if you will keep your nerves, then only they are called great bowlers. But you can see that international bowlers like Sheldon Cottrell went for a plenty. Tewatia, who is a non he's an uncapped Indian player. He smashed him for five sixes. So anything can happen. And yeah, coming to the
And
T20, it's
I'll
all yeah,
and Alok, don't
yeah,
forget
Akhil.
what was Bil what and don't forget what was Bilal was saying on the WhatsApp group about that Tiwatia.
वो तो सबका चालू था भाई सो वी वर ऑन दी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और जब बैटिंग करने आया था त्रिवतिया तो सब बोल रहे थे कि नहीं त्रिवतिया को बैट से स्टंप को मार देना चाहिए या त्रिवतिया को हिट विकेट हो जाना चाहिए
बिलाल
भाई कैसा खेल रहा है यहाँ तो
बिलाल
कमेंटेटर्स भी बोल रहे थे
Bilal,
बिलाल
please
तू क्या
pronounce
बोला
his
था
name very clearly. He's
मकसूद भाई बहुत
Tewatia, not Trevatia.
हाँ तेवतिया
बिलाल तुम
Because
बोल रहे थे मकसूद भाई बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं ये सब
from zero to hero within a matter of
या
1 over, he turned up from being a zero to a
I
hero.
think Tiwatia inning was really inspiring for us. I think
एक्चुअली राहुल
anyone can
तेवतिया एक
be
तरीके से ना लाइफ लेसन्स दे दिया है कि मतलब जिंदगी में कितना भी स्ट्रगल हो और लोग कितना भी
never give
उंगलियां
up.
उठाते रहे हाँ एक ओवर तो लाइफ में आता है जहाँ पे आप लोग 5 छक्के मार के गेम चेंज कर देते हैं सो तेवतिया एकदम
Yeah,
मतलब
definitely.
लाइफ
Hats off
चेंजिंग
to the
एक
team.
दिखाया है सो ओवरऑल ये गेम तो बहुत ही मस्त हाई स्कोरिंग मजा आ गया देखने में जो हम लोग
And
Yeah,
एक्सपेक्ट
ये
करते
the
इससे
थे
ये पता चल गया कि शारजा will be a high scoring game in all the IPL, and total 12 matches are to be played here. So we are expecting every time an average score of 200 plus will be the score here
220 is
in
minimum,
both the,
Alok Mishra.
yeah, minimum.
220.
एक्चुअली एवरेज स्कोर इज 216 ऑन दिस ग्राउंड एवरेज स्कोर इज 216
Yeah.
It should be because it is like just like Supari Tarao, Bilal. You
सुपारी
hit a
तलाव
ball
वाला
in the air, it
बैंड्रा का
go to
छोटा
six
सा ग्राउंड था हम लोग जहाँ खेलते थे
ground. Yeah.
Okay.
Tennis ball से होता तो even we could have scored sixes. Then no matter whoever the bowler is, Rabada or whatever he is, we could have
Yeah.
smashed it.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
with the
Sorry,
tennis ball.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
no,
So coming to the next
Next match.
match, Bilal.
Yeah, next
I
match
think
तो
this
भाई
was the
एकदम
match.
ही
This was the match of the week. Match of the week for me.
yeah. Wait. So it was Rajasthan versus Mumbai Indians.
It was
Mumbai
RCB
RCB
versus
versus
Mumbai
Mumbai
Indians.
Indians, sorry, RCB
Mumbai
versus
Indians.
Mumbai Indians. तो ये मैच टाई हो गई थी.
Yeah, this was another tie match. Within a week, we had another tie match. We can see that
I,
it was played
I
on the
think
ground.
Kohli was struggling in this match. Yeah.
Yeah, Kohli was struggling, and we can here see as well again. Devdut played a very good knock. He played. This was his second 50. In the second game, he scored his second 50. So he's a young prospect. He's playing good, and we can see that Bangalore scored a very good score, 201 on a Dubai ground, which is amongst all the three ground. This is considered as one of the bigger ground as compared to all the other two. So and Mumbai also had a shaky start at the start of the innings, but hats off to Ishan Kishan who played a magnificent knock. He missed a century just by a one run that could have been a winning shot as well as a century. But yeah, the magnificent knock by Ishan Kishan and Pollard also and Kishan played a very good knock. So Akhil, what is your call on this match?
I think Mumbai missed that trick by not sending Ishan Kishan in the super over.
Yeah,
I think he was really playing well and he was hitting a ball really well. I think they should have sent it in the super over.
I
What do
think
you
he
think,
was
Alok?
bit of I think he was exhausted and bit of a tired, so they wanted some
But
fresh
still, I
legs
think
to
he can.
chip in.
I
Yeah, he
I
was
still
middling
think
the ball, so
yeah, he was
yeah.
handling the ball really well, and I think he should. And
So
Pollard is. I don't trust Pollard completely. He sometimes he works, sometimes he plays, sometimes he doesn't play. But Ishan Kishan and Rohit Sharma was good. But anyways, Saini bowled really well, super over.
Yeah,
yeah,
Saini went
Saini,
well.
hats off to him.
I think Saini completely turned the match in the super over. I
Yeah,
think
but
it
Yeah,
was match was even till 40 overs. I think the Saini overs was the critical one, and that
but
won the match
what
for
you have
RCB.
to say on RCB's bowling because we have seen like
They are
every year.
RCB. They are lacking one good bowler. I think Saini is there,
I think
Chahal is there. That's it.
Chahal
Don't
and
have any.
Saini. I think they should bring in Chris Morris as
They are
early as
waiting. I
possible.
think Chris Morris is injured. Once Chris Morris is fit, he will be straight into playing 11 because he's a match winner
Yeah,
any day.
yeah, he's
He's
a
a
good death bowler as well, and he has a good experience as well and he can also be handy with a bat.
yeah,
So
seven.
still
He
in
comes
this
at
game,
seven and he's
yeah,
actually
in
it was
this game we have
RCB's
seen
game
like
only from the start itself. It was
yeah,
RCB's game. It shouldn't go that close for RCB as we can see. And
yes,
like other previous IPL seasons, RCB is still struggling with their fast bowlers. I see. Only Navdeep Saini is
RCB.
there who was doing good.
RCB struggling in death overs. I think only Saini is there, and rest all are like going for plenty of runs. So
Yes.
yeah, we can
in
see
the end,
that
it was really a good
though,
match, and Mumbai deserved
yeah,
to. I think Mumbai lost this match, and RCB deserved to win this match because of
yeah,
Saini.
because we can see that if you will see that this was in this match was played in Dubai, which is considered to be a big ground. On such
Mhm.
big ground, in last 5 hours, Mumbai needed 90 runs, I guess, if I'm not wrong. But still,
Yes, yes, yes.
it was a tie match, so you can
Hats
say
off to
that
Pollard. Hats off to Pollard and Ishan Kishan. They drag
yeah,
it
they
really well
played
to the
their heart
last.
out. Yeah,
I,
but
I
in
was
the super,
really, I was,
yeah,
I felt for Ishan Kishan for not getting century. He really
yeah.
played well.
It only the height was missing in that shot. If he would have got little bit of elevation, that would have been a winning knock, century plus
As
a
well. Yeah.
match winning
I
Hmm.
inning,
think
and I guess that would have
it
been
remind
one of the
it
best
remind me of
T20 innings.
Mayank Agarwal of Punjab
Yeah,
and
Yes, yes.
Delhi Capitals. It was the same like Mayank single-handedly take it to the last over and thrown it in the
so
last one. Right, Alok?
so yeah, definitely. So on a
I think
lighter
it was a
note, if
good
we can
match.
say On a lighter note, if we say that Ishan Kishan was not signed in for the super over, so is there a nepotism in cricket as well? Pandya was sent in dis- despite of Ishan Kishan here.
On a lighter note, I think so. Nepotism is there in cricket.
Yeah, because
Anyways, he's
Pandya is a
allowed.
management quota
On to
player.
the next
No
match.
doubt
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
no doubt he
Both
has
the
done well, and he's a very good all rounder for India and a huge prospect. He got a platform and he is performing well. So no doubt he has created a high level of standard in his fitness and is a great player. So no hard feelings for
Krunal
Pandya.
Pandya is management quota. Hardik Pandya deserve to. With Krunal Pandya is management quota.
Okay, so this was all about the tied match between RCB and Mumbai.
Yeah, it
It
was a
was a
great
very nice
match.
game to watch as a spectator.
Nice.
Yeah, so
On to
moving
the
on to
next
our
match,
next
Bilal.
match, Bilal.
Delhi versus Hyderabad was the next match. Okay.
I think the very boring
So
team Hyderabad. Really boring.
हैदराबाद की बैटिंग मतलब
I think
बोर मतलब सो गया था बैटिंग देख के लेकिन विलियमसन आ गया
Yeah,
मतलब मिडिल ऑर्डर में ओके विलियमसन इज बैक
yeah,
इन द
that's
मिडिल
the
ऑर्डर
that's the only good thing for this match. The Williamson was back, and rest it was totally boring match.
या
yeah. Because Hyderabad only their opening slot, that Johnny Bairstow and David Warner, if they don't chip in, then their middle order is not that sorted. Only Manish Pandey plays
Now,
well, but
but
if
once Kane Williamson is back, they are sorted in middle over, and plus they
yeah,
have good batsmen also in good. Samad is
yeah,
there, Abdul
the
Samad,
yeah,
Abhishek,
the
Sharma. They are
bowling
playing well.
department, if you'll see that the bowling department they have, they can even defend a low score as well. If they score
Yes,
130,
yes.
135, they can even defend that. But
यस
they have to put on some runs for the bowler to defend.
I think they have the world's number one bowler. I'm not talking the spinner, world number one bowler, Rashid Khan.
राशिद खान यस
He's
Yeah,
the number one
yeah,
bowler.
आई थिंक
I think
आईपीएल में
and
बेस्ट
honestly,
प्लेयर
agree,
बेस्ट
right?
स्पिनर बोले तो राशिद खान ही है ये आईपीएल
No,
2020 में
you can count as a bowler him, not spinner. I think he's the best bowler. What do you think, Alok ji?
yeah, definitely. Absolutely. I will agree with your point, Akhil, because he's playing worldwide. He's playing in every league, so he has a
Every
lot
league,
of
he's
experience.
performing
Yeah,
consistently.
consistently he's performing everywhere, and he's a match winner. And yeah, in this match we got to see that a young player got a chance. Abdul Samad, he's from Jammu Kashmir, so it was very nice to see him playing in this IPL for such a huge tournament. You are
He's only
getting
18 years
yeah,
old, and at the time of
yeah.
18 years old, we are getting KTs in engineering. Hats off to him.
Yeah,
And
it was a
in this match, no, Kane Williamson showed his class. On the tricky wicket, he scored around 200 strike rate. So hats off to the Kane
yeah.
Williamson. It was
Kane
very
Williamson,
tricky wicket.
he's a
It was very
class
tricky
batsman.
wicket, yeah.
Yeah,
Very class batsman, yeah. So it was a good match, but SRH is very boring team. What
हाँ उन लोग की
this is what
बैटिंग
I
देख के
feel, and I
तो
think
बोर हो
yeah, their
जाता
bowling is good because of Rashid Khan, and their batting is very poor, man.
था
Very
व्हाट अबाउट
boring.
द दिल्ली कैपिटल्स बैटिंग व्हिच कोलैप्स्ड लाइक they couldn't chase it कुछ हुआ ही नहीं
yeah. Delhi,
ऋषभ
but
पंत
because
I
see
think
here again
because of the
we were talking about the
Rashid Khan,
bowling. Yeah,
because of Rashid
it
Khan,
was
he
all
bowled
about
really well.
SRH bowling. I told you that they can defend even 140, 145 runs. But the thing is, every time it won't happen depending upon the ground situation and condition of the game. So here we can see that they struggle to tackle Bhuvaneshwar and Rashid Khan
And
and say and
look at
they
his wickets. Top order: Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer,
yeah
Rishabh Pant. They are the top
yeah
batsmen
all
of their
top
team.
order. And he
All
was the
top
man
order
of the match
batsmen.
in that game,
yes
Rashid
yes
Khan.
And it's not Rashid Khan gets wicket in when people try to hit him. He properly trap them, bowled or LBW. So
he
it's
had
a
an
really
Yeah,
treat
economy
to
of
watch him.
3.5 he had an economy of 3.5
yes.
even T Natarajan was
Many
Yeah,
times
man, T Natarajan. Brett Lee is big fan of him. He bowled us 6 consecutive Yorkers. T Natarajan.
yeah, he's a huge prospect. We have heard his story that yeah, he has struggled a lot in his early days, and now he has become a great bowler. So
Great
it's a
bowler.
good thing that Indian bowlers and Indian young players are coming up the rank to perform in such a great tournament. So good to see this.
Good to see. So if we summarize this match, Sunrise won, but they need to perform well in top order because they
Yeah,
are really
yeah,
boring.
definitely.
yes yes
They will have to perform well, and I can see that Warner is not leading from the front. I guess once his bat will
Yes,
start
Alok. Because in
scoring, yeah, he
2016
will.
when
Yes,
they
yes,
win,
yes.
There
when
will
they
be
won
no
the
stopping
IPL,
back.
because in 2016 when they won IPL, Warner was the leading man. He was leading from the
Yeah,
front. So Warner needs to fire if they want to win.
and we know the capability of David Warner, what he can do on his day.
Yeah, man, you all know he's a small packet, but big dhamaka.
Pocket dynamo,
Big
pocket
dynamite.
dynamite he is called.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next match, Bilal?
Next match is Rajasthan Royals versus KKR. So Rajasthan Royals was playing on that shorter ground, Sharjah, and they
I
have moved to the bigger ground this
they
time.
come with
Okay.
they come with the same mindset that it is Sharjah. We will eat everything out of the ground.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even Steve Smith told that every player were thinking that they are still playing in Sharjah.
So they collapsed very badly in this game. As you can see, they
Yeah,
score 21,
I
3,
was
2, 8, 14.
yeah,
Just stormed
I
the
was
runs
looking
playing.
forward for this match. I was looking forward
I
for this match, like that how they will perform after playing two back-to-back matches in Sharjah on a smaller ground and scoring good runs. So how they will perform on this ground, and we can see that. And credit goes to the young Indian fast bowlers Mavi and Nagarkoti
Nagarkot.
because
Yeah, they are awesome bowlers.
yeah, KKR spend a lot of money on these young players, and unfortunately for Nagarkoti, he didn't uh, played the first two seasons because of the injury. That was very unfortunate for him. But here he comes, and they rattle the top order, Mavi and Nagarkoti, and even Shubman Gill is performing consistently.
Yes.
So this game, I think, what
Even
Akil,
Sachin appreciated Shubham Gill innings on the Twitter. Sachin appreciated his
yeah,
innings.
Hmm.
son-in-law.
Second long.
Might be, Alok. You can't predict. I think Rajasthan is missing Ben Stokes. He'll be
Oh
back.
yeah,
Yeah,
okay, yes,
he
yes, we have a
got
news. We
He's
have
back.
a news. Ben Stokes is coming back to the Rajasthan Royals team.
I think
Okay.
he'll
Yeah, he's on
he
a
will have a
flight.
six.
He
Yeah,
will be there
16
in
quarantine. 16
yeah
quarantine. He'll be.
from. I think he will miss one more
Yeah.
match, and
So
after that, I think he will be available from the
because
next one.
once Ben Stokes is back, no Rajasthan will be very
And
difficult team to beat because he's a finisher also, bowled 4 overs also, and awesome fielder also.
And
Ritu,
here we can see that though the top order batting collapse, and we can see cameo played by Tom Curran. He scored a 54. So he
And good
showed that
54, Alka. Good 54. He was scoring all over
yeah
the ground.
he striked very cleanly.
Yeah, very clean, very clean. So hats
He
off to
proved
him.
his he proved that he can bat as well. So to sum up this entire match, we can say that this match was all about all the Indian youngsters like Shivam Mavi, Nagarkoti, and Shubman Gill. So it
Yes,
was
yes.
good to see that youngsters were performing.
Yes.
oh,
Talking about
Bilal,
Rajasthan, Robin Uthappa,
I think
he has
Alok, sorry to interrupt you, but Robin Uthappa should open the innings. What do you think?
yeah
Because
definitely
I think
Robin
Steve Smith can come fourth because
yeah
naturally he
yeah
can play at fourth because Uthappa
yeah
can't play at fourth. You also know that.
yeah
I think
I agree with your point because I was coming to this like Robin Uthappa, he is also amongst the leading run scorers in the IPL. If you check the top five, top six of the top six players who have scored more in the IPL, you will get to see the name of Robin Uthappa as well. And he has been performing that opening the innings for KKR. He was for 2 to 3 seasons. He was a leading run scorer. So I guess
and,
this position is not suiting for him.
and he got fitter also this time. Lost his weight also. He's become lean now. So
Yeah.
I think Rajasthan should give Uthappa a chance in the opening because he's
Yeah,
wasted at
Steve
number
Smith.
four.
Hmm.
He's wasted
Yeah,
at number four.
Steve
Steve
Smith
Smith
can bat low
is
down
a
the order,
number.
and he can
Steve Smith
yeah
can
three
play anywhere because he's a number one batsman in Test. You know that he can play anywhere. But
yeah
Uthappa, I think he should open the batting for me.
maybe Sanju Samson,
yeah
Uttapa should
definitely.
open.
No,
No
Josh
no
Butler is good. Josh Butler
Josh
and
Butler is
Uthappa.
a T20 opener, so Josh Butler along
Uh,
with
Bilal,
Uthappa they can
yes. Josh Butler and Uthappa, then Sanju Samson, then Smith. Rest everything is good.
Hmm.
What do you think, Alok?
yeah correct. Even I agree with this point.
So it was good match. Next come to the next match, Bilal.
Next match was Mumbai versus Punjab. Uh, so this match we were
I
expecting to
think
be a very close match और ऐसा expected था लेकिन
yeah,
ऐसा हुआ
man.
नहीं
I
one
think this
sided
match
हुआ.
Rahul showed his. I think this match Rahul showed he's a rookie captain by bowling Sheldon Cottrell all over within 12 overs. Who will bowl in the death?
Yeah,
Jimmy Neesham. So it
yeah,
was a
because
blunder.
he didn't used up all his bowlers properly. In up, I, I don't know the exact reason he used Sheldon Cottrell entire quota in starting 12, 13 overs. Maybe because of the fact that
Yeah,
Cottrell
because of
was hit for
Sharjah,
30
because of
runs.
Sharjah. Yeah, because of
Yeah,
Sharjah. But everyone know if you see today's match, Rabada also gone for the runs. But every good bowler went for the run in Sharjah. So I think it was a bad captaincy in terms of
yeah, here
very
and
bad
there it
captaincy by
was.
Rahul.
Yeah,
And
here.
And
So in the
when will Universe Boss will play, guys? You have any idea? I'm
जब भी उसकी
really
तरफ कैमरा
want to
जाता है तो
see.
मसाज ही करता रहता है वो.
Yeah, man, he's going live on Instagram. He's
yeah,
going
he has
I
like
guess
everywhere.
see
He's
here
मैक्सवेल को
he's not
मैक्सवेल की
he's
जगह पे
just
लाना चाहिए
enjoying
सर.
his life.
Yeah, man. I think Maxwell. I think he needs to rest. Maxwell needs to
Max,
rest.
no, I see. I have a huge belief in Maxwell. Like he will definitely perform. I
Everyone,
can bet
look,
you
I
in the
also believe
next
in
match.
Maxwell, but he's not performing well. It has been 4 matches he struggled. So and Punjab is not doing well also.
I think it's because of his batting stance. He is like batting with open chest batting like
Yeah,
Chandrapal
man. Why
type.
he changed his stance, I don't know. Because he was playing
But
really well.
with the same stance, he performed well in the on the England tour. So
It
just a
must be the
matter of
condition.
one,
Must be the
uh, just
condition.
a just a matter of 1 2 matches. I know he will bounce back as well because he's a great batsman. So I don't think he will struggle a lot. Just a matter of 1 2 matches, he will be back.
And
Here we
it
were
is really good
expect.
to see. It is really good to see Puran batting well. Finally,
Yeah, your man
man,
Puran.
he hits the ground where he hits the ball out of the park, man.
Uh,
Seriously,
and
Hmm.
Akhil,
lot of
if
power.
you'll see in this match, like Kings 11 Punjab, both the openers are scoring well. They
Top
are
two, top two.
leading the chart in for the
Yeah,
top scorer chart in
Mayank
this
and
IPL.
Rahul, first and second.
Yeah, Mayank. But here we can see like Bumrah for the first 2 match, he was struggling. He was hit for plenty. And in this match, you can see the wicket he took of Mayank Agarwal. It was a beauty of a delivery.
Yeah, man, it
So
was
he
awesome.
bounced back as
Happy.
well. So Jasprit Bumrah also bounced back. First 2 matches was not good for him. So this match, I can say that Jasprit Bumrah bowled well.
Yeah, so around if we summarize this match, I think it was bad captaincy for Rahul from Rahul.
Yeah, a little bit of here and there because that went for couple of runs. So he didn't use his bowlers well. So
Yeah, and I
okay,
think
it's a
Punjab is playing one bowler short also. He needs one more fast bowler. We
yeah,
need 3 fast bowlers and 2 spinners. What do you think, Alok?
yeah. Even I think the same. Here only Shami and Cottrell are there performing good.
Yeah, Jimmy Neesham is good, but he can't bowl a 4 overs, and especially not in depth because he doesn't have pace. And he was bowling back of the length, and Pollard and Pandya was
And
hitting very bad.
yeah, I am very exciting to. I am very every time I'm exciting to see Sarfaraz Khan. He
Yeah,
gets a
man,
chance to
he's
bat,
from
but he
Kurla, from Bombay
yeah,
sector, but
bro,
he's not
Mumbai
getting chance
guy
to
from
play.
Mumbai Sattar, not
Yeah,
getting enough of chances
from my
to bat.
from my
He
area, I
is
think
getting chances, but he is not utilizing those chances.
no, man. This
Yeah,
was the
he
first time he got batting.
actually the thing is like he's getting chances when the team is already
He's already
I
a
think in
loss,
a winning position or they have
losing position.
already go.
Lost.
So he's
But
not getting
anyways,
chance to prove.
it it was a good match, but Rahul's
Yeah,
captaincy, I think, cost for the Punjab.
Okay, we'll move to
yeah.
the next match, which was
So
Chennai versus Hyderabad.
I think, man, it was very sad for every Indiana man, whether you support Dhoni or doesn't support Dhoni. It was really bad to
yeah,
see yesterday.
it was
Yeah.
Dhoni
very
struggle.
disheartening to see him
I, I
struggling.
I was really sad. You know me, I don't like that much Dhoni, but I really upset the way he
Yeah,
was
I can
performing.
understand. He has done a great thing. He has done a great job for India. He has done many wonders, but seeing him struggle like this was very disheartening. But
I think
it's
everyone
okay.
is
It
struggling.
happens.
Everyone
Yeah,
is struggling in Dubai. Even Ishan Kishan dehydrated. AB de Villiers didn't come
yeah,
to collect his man of the match award because he was dehydrated. But Dhoni is
yeah.
39 years
Because the
old and people
condition
are
or
still questioning him.
the
But he's
humidity and the temperature over there, they are taking
people
a
need to
toll of
understand that
every player.
he's 39 years old. De Villiers 36, Ishan Kishan 20, and still they are not able to come. And they are expecting Dhoni to hit at 6 ball 20 runs.
Every time it doesn't happen, but still he has done many wonders. So every time when he comes to bat, everyone has a
I
huge
think that
hope on him.
I think we all know time is up for Dhoni. I think we really
Yeah,
want him to win and happily retire from cricket. What do you think, Bilal?
या आई थिंक सो, बट फिर भी वो गर्मी थी इसकी वजह से नहीं खेल पाया, लेकिन ये आईपीएल तो खेलेगा ही वो पूरा।
नहीं
उसके
नहीं
बाद
मैं तो चाहता हूँ ये आईपीएल खेले और जीते भी हो, एंड ही शुड हैप्पीली रिटायर एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर वो सीएसके के डग आउट में बैठ के कोचिंग करे।
या
and coming up to this match, apart from Dhoni, we have seen like Hyderabad inning, Priyam Garg, the under
हाँ man,
19
Prem
captain
Garg and
of
Abhishek Sharma, they
yeah,
played really well, man.
they both, and they hold a record of a highest partnership by a youngest player combined age. The combined age was 39 years
Oh,
of
wow.
both of them, and
And
it was the highest.
Bilal was saying that Gargwal will not play. Whatever Bilal says, I think it is going I think
Reverse.
उल्टा ही होता है।
reverse.
लेकिन ये मैच
Yeah,
में
yeah.
एक और चीज हुई है, भुवनेश्वर कुमार इंजर्ड हुए यार, मतलब भुवनेश्वर हैज बीन इंजर्ड
Yeah,
एंड इससे
No
I
पहले
think
man,
it's not a
no.
serious. I think it's not a serious injury. He will come back. Yeah, if he would have continued bowling, then the injury might have gone very bad. But he opted out. He decided not to bowl, not to uh, stretch himself. So it was a good. So this is our see. This is the initial phase, and nobody wants that
Wants to
premier
risk,
bowler
nobody
or
wants to take risk.
good
Yeah, yeah.
player to get injured. They have
So,
already lost. They have already lost Mitchell Marsh.
यस यस
they have announced any replacement for Mitchell Marsh?
Yeah. Jason Holder is a replacement for Mitchell Marsh.
Okay.
and
So Bilal, if we
Faf
summarize
du
this match,
Plessis is also giving a good catches like at the boundaries, as we can see.
yeah, it is
Yeah, it's
normal for
like
him. But it is normal for him. The
eat,
catches he's
sleep,
taking
and
is normal for
that
him.
type
Yeah.
of catch and repeat. And here
Yes.
we can see like Jadeja. He scored his
Dropping
first
catch.
maiden IPL
First
50.
time. And first time also he dropped a catch. I
Yes,
never
yes.
seen Jaddu dropping a catch. I think
So-
2020 is real. Dhoni is getting
But that
tired.
50
Jaddu is
went in,
dropping catch.
50 went in vain. It was the first time we saw the sword celebration in the IPL.
Yes, yes.
We witnessed it, but it went in vain.
So all in all, it was a good match. Rashid Khan really once again bowled well. Dhoni was struggling, but anyways, we hope the Dhoni come back again strong.
Ah,
So,
it's a matter of 1-2 match. We know his caliber.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So
He
Bilal,
will bounce back.
what's next? Yeah.
So this was
What's
the last
next?
match for this week actually. So अबे सीन क्या है मालूम है क्या, मेरे पास 4 मिनट ही बचा है ये मीटिंग का, पता नहीं कैसा है, तो ये
So
मीटिंग
Alok,
क्लोज हो जाएगी।
you should Alok trivia question बोल दे अपन।
So Alok, can you tell
Alok,
us
what
your
was the
trivia
trivia
question?
question we are having?
Yeah, the trivia question for this week is like, who was the first Indian batsman to score an IPL century on Indian ground? So
And if we give the hint, he played for 3 franchisee.
yeah, and I will repeat again, like, who was the first Indian to score a century in IPL on Indian soil? And if you want, I can give a hint in other way as well.
बस
He
इतना
is
हिंट
known
काफी
for
है।
Let it be Alok. He
he's
played for
known
3.
he's known for stealing his friend's wives.
Hey, Bilal, निकाल दे बे।
That will definitely give you I think this is a great hint. You will get to know the answer. So would like you to comment the trivia questions answer in the comment box.
So
And
all in all, it was a good week of cricket. We really enjoyed it.
Yes, yes.
So
So thank you
waiting
guys.
for the
and we
next
can
week.
see like and we can see like Bilal, sorry to cut you in between. We can see like all the teams have minimum at least one matches they have won. So table is wide open, and we
Table is
can see
wide
this
open.
time
Yeah, wide
Yes,
open.
yes.
still
I
we
think
can't
by
say like who.
I think by next Saturday we'll be able to see more clear picture who is leading and all, because we'll have more
Yeah.
clear picture. So that's it guys, this for this week.
Yes.
We'll see you
Thank you
again on
guys.
next Saturday.
If you
Bye
like,
guys. Enjoy.
Thank
please
you,
like the
guys.
video and subscribe and share if
Please
you
like
liked
the
it.
video, share
Yeah,
the
very
video, and
important, man.
subscribe.
Like,
And
share,
do
subscribe.
do answer the trivia question and
Yes,
come
yes.
Yeah,
in the comment section.
Thank you guys. Thank you
Bye,
Alok.
guys.
Thank
Yeah,
you Akhil. Bye.
Bilal.
Yeah, thank you, Bilal. Thank you.